Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Spoiled Brat Gets All Her Friends Arrested for Her Obnoxious Behavior. Ooh, man. She got everybody arrested? That's crazy. Let's get into it. Let's see what they talking about.
Back up! My man, back up! I'm under arrest? Yeah. I'm telling you to back up. You're going to be under arrest.
Today on Uncovered, watch this obnoxious group of friends completely fall apart in seconds after getting kicked out for starting a fight in a restaurant.
Hey, come here. Come here.
Not you.
Excuse me?
She's gonna go home when she's gonna attack me like that?
What's your idea?
You and y'all.
No. You ain't walking away. Get off. Don't
stop.
Get
Stop.
out of here. Come here. Yo! Come here. You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest?
Yes.
I didn't do anything.
Because you walked away from me. Yo, you're going. You're going too.
Bro, what the f? I didn't do anything. What the f?
The deputies arrest one of the females who started the fight for trying to walk away after police asked her to identify herself. As backup arrives, the situation grows increasingly tense as everyone tries to crowd around the primary officer and the female suspect.
Back up! You're under arrest! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands! Back up! My man, back up! Back up! I'm telling you to back up! I'm telling you to back up! You're going to be under arrest! Just take a step back. That's all I'm saying.
He did nothing
You
wrong.
cannot interfere. Back up.
He did nothing
You're
wrong.
back up. I'm telling you to back up. Take a step back.
She got
Take
attacked.
a step back.
She got
Okay.
attacked.
Then we'll settle it. Stop.
Sir, please. I didn't do anything to you.
Shout out to the girl that's trying to remove the black guy. Shout out to her, man, because clearly he is intoxicated and he don't know what the heck he doing, man. You're interfering. That's why the boyfriend of the first one is getting locked up. You can't just go up and start grabbing her and this and that, and the officer trying to arrest her and all that. Listen, what are you doing? Now I see why everybody gonna get locked up for sure.
Did not.
I got all
What the hell? Explain the camera. You're hurting me.
You're running your mouth.
Call the camera right now. My grandma's the medical examiner. Call them. Call them.
Obstruction.
Call them. My grandma's the medical examiner. Call them.
I don't care.
Call them.
I don't care.
Call them. Are you okay tonight?
I'm fine. You okay?
Can I help you?
You were acting nutty.
I didn't do anything. It's not me. It's the people that he's with.
Well,
What do you want me to do?
it's you. You're
Sir,
under
what the
arrest.
hell?
Where's your ID at?
I didn't do anything to you. Oh, Loki, you're hurting me. I'm not even kidding.
Hey, lock him up.
Sir.
Who cares?
Call my mom. Call, give me my phone.
I'll call your
Give me
mom.
my phone.
What's your
Yo,
mom's
609? Bro, give me my phone, bro. You're not taking my keys.
You're arresting me for what?
Back up.
Bro, this is a violation of amendments.
No.
What are you doing?
Back up.
He did nothing wrong.
Find out what
Jasmine,
Stop.
stop.
You have
Stop.
three kids. Move.
What did he do wrong?
I don't know.
She got attacked.
Move.
I was a witness.
Move.
She got pushed over.
Please. Please.
Relax. Let me get your side of the story.
I'll call your mom.
They did whatever they did. They're under arrest. Just sit tight.
No, stop.
My man, step back. I'm going to lock you up. I'm
Lock
telling
me
you to
up
step
then.
back.
Lock me up then.
Don't-
He did nothing wrong.
Step back.
Bro.
It's an officer safety issue. Step back. Step back. I'm telling you to step back.
Don't talk to me
What?
like that.
My man, you're under arrest, bro. Turn around. Turn around. Don't pull away. Don't pull away. You got cuffs in? Don't pull away.
Please.
Cuff him. Here you go, Lance.
Excuse me, sir. You're hurting me. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. You're hurting me. Like, I'm not even kidding. You're hurting my wrist.
Stop.
I'm not kidding. My grandma
I'm
is the
going to
medical
relax
examiner.
when you pull your arm away from me, I have to tighten up.
My grandma is the medical examiner. You're hurting me, bro. What the is wrong with you?
I'm just holding your
What's
arm.
wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
I know Bill Kosh. Do you want me to call Bill? Like, I'm not even kidding.
He would, don't move.
What is wrong with you? What the is wrong with you?
Here, put her in the back of your car.
The entitlement. My grandmother is this. I know this. Who gives a crap? Your grandmother is the medical examiner. Okay. When somebody pass away, she comes out and assess the crime scene. All right. And what does that have to do with your behavior? Absolutely nothing. You know what you're doing? Your grandma is shaking her head right now because she had to watch this footage of her granddaughter acting like a complete asshole. Her granddaughter and her friends. They don't know how to control their alcohol. That's what grandma is sitting back watching. Grandma's sitting back. You know, them checks is rolling in. And now she got the whatchamacallit, she got the news that her granddaughter was involved in something. So now she's watching the film and she had too much wine.
Hello.
Just pat her down, check her real good.
Just check your purse and anything like that.
Step forward.
On you?
Can we get his keys? Because we gotta go home. We gotta go home.
Nobody goes to jail anymore.
I know, Bell.
This Bell report.
Get his keys home now.
Yo, relax. Relax.
No, I'm not.
I'm just trying to figure out what
Ever able to get his keys?
Don't give up the keys. I'll get
Can I go?
No, you can't go over. I'll go ask him, okay?
Can I say something before we go? I was trying to remove my girlfriend from the situation. Okay. She's worried about me. Okay. I'm sorry that I got out of pocket.
Oh, now you sorry, man. Shut the hell up.
She
tried to get the phone and then she stepped on it.
No.
Oh, she did.
So from here, grab my arm.
Yeah.
Before I hop in the back seat, grab my arm. Cause I want to make sure you know who my girlfriend is.
Yeah. The one that was talking to you, right?
The
one that was standing right next to you?
The white shirt.
The one that was standing right next to you.
Yeah.
That's the one who she was trying to get the number. You were standing over there.
And I
backed up because I was working with this guy.
Okay.
Stepped over. She was pushing on me.
Man.
That's why I pushed her.
Do you want to give your keys to your girl? Is that your girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I can go in your pocket.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nice to meet you, police officer. Don't push me. Don't push me. We all don't push me.
Police officers.
Please get your hands off me. I want her more than you. I feel more comfortable with her more than you. He's hurting me. He's hurting my wrist.
Relax. You're not gonna pull your arm away. Do not pull away. You're not hurting me.
You're not hurting me.
Do not pull away.
What's wrong with him?
Do not pull away. Can you just make sure she's fine, please?
Yeah. My sergeant's talking.
Is there any
right
way
now.
you can loosen the cuffs just a little bit?
Just calm down for 1 second.
I am calm.
Okay. But this whole situation won't
The
happen like
whole situation came from one.
Ma'am, I get it.
Please, please, you
Listen.
go over there.
Listen, do
You go over there. I'll talk to him.
Do you want the
You
keys?
go over there. Yes. I need to go to my baby.
I
don't know. Right now.
He does not have the keys on.
So where are his keys?
He was trying to talk to you and ask you.
He didn't talk to me because y'all ripped him up.
Okay, when I tell someone to stand back 10
And he
times.
did.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he
keeps
did. He
walking
was
in,
in
he
my
keeps walking in.
arms.
Listen.
Okay, so give me his keys.
Okay.
I go on like it.
Okay, he doesn't have the keys on him.
So
He's
where are
just-
his keys?
He's trying to ask you guys. if-
Terrell, where are the keys?
He doesn't have them on him. That's
He has to. He drove here.
Okay, do you want to talk to me like a normal person?
Yes,
or I'm just going to get in my car and drive away?
I am talking to you normal.
He doesn't have his keys on
So
him.
where are his keys?
Can I finish talking at any
Yes,
point right
go
now?
ahead. I'm sorry.
Dealing with drunk people is just like, holy crap, dude. It's just ridiculous. If he don't got the keys, then clearly somebody else in the group got the keys. Like, she's not listening. She just want to talk. And if you just talking while the other person is talking, that means you ain't listening.
Doesn't have his keys on him, so he was trying to ask you, did you take him or did any of the friends have the keys?
No, he drove here. He had his keys since we got here at 9 o'clock.
Okay, he's got no keys in his front. He
So
thought
can
it's...
we look down here? We all ripped him up on the sidewalk or something?
Okay, we didn't
Please?
trip him up. Well, all right.
Y'all
But
did.
when
two
we
of y'all.
tell him 10 times to stand back, it
And
means
I-
stand back. Okay?
Do you have his
Listen,
keys?
I have the other set of keys.
All right, so can y'all bring me
telling
home?
you before you're
Listen,
detained as well as your boyfriend. Relax.
Your girlfriend brought us here.
I don't know what happened, brought us
She
here.
pushed
All I know is
Erica.
I wasn't involved.
All right, can I go home, please? To my babies? I have 3 kids.
Okay.
4, 3, 2.
I get that.
I need to go home right now.
Okay,
To my
you can
kids.
leave.
He has to bring because y'all have my man that drove me here.
Okay.
So can I go? When can he get out?
He's gonna get out right away.
What is right away?
It'll probably take 45 minutes to process.
So an hour?
Yeah, about an hour. I'll
Tom
give you the
Trevor,
address. I'll
please.
give you everything.
Please get the keys.
She said it's.
He doesn't have
He
them.
says he doesn't have them on him. I patted
I
him
don't know
down.
who has them.
He thought he had them in his
Let
right
me
front
check
pocket.
let me check my purse.
Not in
I'm
his
sorry.
pockets, okay?
I'm so sorry.
But you gotta understand, when we show up,
I know,
I have
understand.
officers asking for help.
I understand.
I told both of you, stay back, stay back,
And I
stay back,
tried.
stay
You
back.
saw me.
Yeah, but he doesn't stay back.
Because his friend.
Okay, we
so y'all
get it.
have to listen. Y'all don't listen.
No,
and I get it.
no,
I get
you
it.
have to listen. We listen.
Why are you raising
guys
your
don't
voice
listen.
at me?
There's the number for the police department. Yeah,
home?
yeah. Okay, have a good night. See you later. Hey, you too. Thanks for being gentlemen.
I
appreciate it.
appreciate it.
Thank you guys. Tried to help the situation. Really
I know,
appreciate it.
I know. We'll see y'all soon at the station. Or whatever,
Be careful
but-
driving home. I gave her the phone number for it. It's
Okay.
116 Sherman Ave.
Okay.
We'll process it.
I know. It's right down the.
You know, if everyone just stood there, we would have been like, hey, this is the
That's
situation.
the
This
problem,
is it.
though. They're rowdy.
So who's the two girls that she was beefing with?
I have no clue about anything.
They came
I
up.
was around the corner on the boardwalk still, trying to figure out where they were. And I saw.
Yeah. That, like, come on. Y'all don't listen? No. You don't listen. I like that officer. I ain't gonna lie. I like that officer, man. Yo, what? Cause I would've already lost my patience. I would've been walked away. I ain't gonna lie. I would've been walked away. The other two guys, fine gentlemen, man. Whoever raised them, man, fine gentlemen. You know what I'm saying? And I like how that officer went up to them other two kids and was like, yo, listen, I appreciate you guys for helping the situation. Everybody else is just acting like a bunch of animals, man. Listen,
Here's the number for the police department.
Look at that.
I have officers asking for help.
I understand.
I told both of you, stay back, stay back,
And I
stay back,
tried.
stay
You
back.
saw me.
Yeah, but he doesn't stay back.
Because his friend.
Okay, we
So y'all
get it.
have to listen. Y'all don't listen.
No,
and I get it.
no,
I get
you
it.
have to listen. We listen.
Why are you raising
guys
your
don't
voice
listen.
at me?
There's the number for the police department. Yeah,
home?
yeah. Okay, have a good night. See you later. Hey, you too. Thanks for being gentlemen.
I
I
appreciate it.
Thank you guys. Tried to help the situation. Really
I know,
appreciate
I
it.
know. We'll see
That's
y'all soon at the
great.
station or whatever,
Be careful
but-
driving home. I gave her the phone number for it. It's
Okay.
116 Sherman Ave.
Okay.
We'll process it.
I know. It's right down the.
You know, if everyone just stood there, we would have been like, hey, this is the
That's
situation.
the
This
problem,
is it.
though. They're rowdy.
So who's the two girls that she was beefing with?
I have no clue about
oh,
anything.
nah, I don't
I
know
was around
nothing.
the
You
corner
done? Come
on the
on now.
boardwalk still, trying to figure out where they were. And I saw.
Come on now, the officer, you know better than that. You know that. You should know better not to ask that, man. You see that? What? They don't know nothing. What are you talking about here, man? Listen, those are brothers. They don't know nothing. They ain't seen that. They what? Oh yeah, you man. Yo, did you see him? He said, I don't know nothing. I was back in the boardwalk. I ain't seen nothing. Yeah, ain't no nothing. Come on now. It was a good try though. I appreciate that officer for trying. He tried.
Where were you?
I was helping my platoon mate and we came out here.
Where were you?
Help my platoon.
All the suspects were arrested for obstructing justice, with the first couple also being arrested for disorderly conduct. If you enjoyed this video...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.